How to block adult content appearing from Instagram source page. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, make sure to update to the latest version of Instagram. Open up Play Store, tap on source icon and search for Instagram. Now tap on Instagram and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen. Now open up Instagram. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now under what you see, simply tap on suggested content. Now tap on sensitive content. Now select less. Now tap on confirm. Now open up your recent app manager. Now clear Instagram and reopen Instagram. Now I hope this will fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.